Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you lost your Dream League Soccer 2025 account, maybe after reinstalling the game or changing your phones, don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get your old DLS 25 account back safely and step by step. So first of all, you need to open your Dream League Soccer 2025 game. This is going to be your main menu. Over here, you need to simply tap on this gear icon here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now you need to go to the profile page of so in your profile page you will be able to see the option of cloud save or restore the data. So here, if you have previously linked your Google Play games, your Apple ID or your Google account over here, you are going to see the restore to cloud option. So make sure that you sign in into the same account that you have used before, and this way the game will automatically check for the old save and show you the latest saved progress. Now you can also tap on the download option that is given over here, and then you can restore your saves, and your old teams, coins and the progress will be back in just a few minutes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.